1964 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long box here at Unique Classic Cars. Restored in 2016. This truck was actually sold new in Covina, California. Spent practically its entire life in California. 283 V8 power underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Those have both been rebuilt. Power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Front and rear bumpers both new, as well as that grille. You can see all of that is in great shape. All right, still pictures. You want to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels with the beauty rings and center caps. Radial tires. The bright work down both sides of this truck. Also restored at the time of restoration. And as you can see, it shows well. Nice straight panels. Paint has a nice shine to it. Bench seat. Vinyl cloth combination seat belts. AM radio does work. Wipers work. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive. You can see those long panels, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. New oak bed, stainless back here, also a nice shape. There's that chrome rear bumper, like brand new. Brakes are 90% in the front and the rear on this one. It will also come with an owner's manual as well as a shop manual. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. As you can see, driver's side also looking good. Let's take a little closer look at this interior and we'll fire it up. So also the turquoise and white color combination on the interior. Carpeting looking good. No rips, tears, holes in the seats, or I should say in the seat. Dash painted to match.
Terry, I'm going to have the second one because I kind of...
Like I said, radio working. It appears the gauges are also working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up, but battery, oil pressure, fuel gauge. Dash looks good. Visor's intact. Let's listen. It does have dual exhaust. Take that back. I thought it had dual exhaust. Have to peek at the underside picks. May just be a single exit on the driver's side over here. Running pretty smooth. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped open. Check out the engine bay. All right, there's a good look at the underside of the hood, also nice and clean. Here it is. The 283 Edelbrock 4-barrel. Power steering, power brakes. There's the heater. Hoses are hooked up. Battery disconnect for when it's in the storage room between drives. Pretty smooth runner. 1964 Chevrolet C10. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1964 Chevrolet C10 in a very nice, what would you call it, aqua maybe, color. Perfect for the time period. A little bit of squeaking coming from the gas tank area behind the seat. Typical kind of thing. Very comfortable truck. Great looking bench seat. And all of it color matching between the whites and the blacks and the kind of a teal color. This truck runs smooth and strong. Noticed right away with the excellent throttle response, this truck is well tuned. Our temperature gauge is showing a quarter of the way up from gold. The battery a little over half, which is right where you want it. There's a little bit of slack in the steering, but you really don't notice it while you're driving. The oil pressure showing 40 psi. It is a 3/4 of the way up from 0 to 60. Our fuel gauge is right in the middle at a half tank, and the speedometer is working. What appears to be the factory radio is also working. Beautiful truck, inside and out, and it drives just as good. Now the wing window, you can tighten for a little quieter noise. You can open for ventilation on either side. Wing windows are the greatest. That and floor vents. I mean, could they bring those back to new cars? What do you think? That would be a great thing to have. The carpet, also very good condition. Appears to be a well restored truck in my opinion. The brakes are nice and smooth. Great power steering. Even the steering wheel itself is finished nicely. Again, smooth acceleration. I wouldn't be afraid to take this truck on a nice long drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this 64 Chevrolet C10 at uniqueclassiccars.com.